Welcome, friends. This is Ask Joy B from AI KT Support, and today we would like to share that we have a new course series which you can really go for in PowerShell. So, learning PowerShell script is sometimes very important for system administrator, and a long and lengthy courses are really giving us a hit because it is very difficult to get the concentration in our busy schedule. So what I've done is I've created bits and pieces to learn PowerShell scripting with hands-on techniques. Okay, so what you can get is right now there is a good opportunity to get 2 months free subscription with this particular course. Okay, so the link is right below in the description. So what you can do is in this course, this is a week one, so I'm going to launch every week there is a PowerShell course which you can grab in. So it is better, you should really right away get the access, and this is going to be very good course for you. Not only this, you can what else you are getting is you will see that we have also running our own platform where we have multiple courses there. Okay, so this is a different PowerShell course which is having a longer version. So what I would suggest is you can go ahead and get this free course first from SkillShare. Okay, where you are getting 2 months of free access, and the link is right below. From the link, if you can sign up, you will get 2 months free access. But the thing is, not only that, in Skillshare you will also get multiple other teachers as well who are teaching different courses. So now there is opportunity in this year. You will spend something and spend some time especially to learn something and gain some good skills, which is definitely going to help you in long run. Okay, so what I believe is these are the two sites which you can really give a try. And the first thing is just grab this PowerShell scripts course where you are learning every week. So learn PowerShell weekly. So this is what the motto is, and in this we are going to learn about PowerShell scripting, and basically the scripting is going to come from day-to-day activity. And what you can do is, it is very interesting, what you can do is you can sign up to the courses and you can comment with your requirements. Okay, so what I will do is I will create a script and add it into the course curriculum, so that will be easy for you. It can really solve your day-to-day activity. Okay, so hope this is information which is going to help each and everybody, and even me as well, because when I am working on your request building some script, so I will learn something, and definitely when I share that, so you will also learn it. So it's a win-win situation, right? So let's join the community and learn something together, and definitely the PowerShell learning is going to be ease for everyone. Thank you very much.